Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're about to change brightness now. First, confirm your display supports software control and that cables are secure. Open Settings, go to System then Display, or press Windows plus A to reveal Quick Settings and the brightness slider. Try the keyboard brightness keys first. They directly adjust the GPU/display. Once done, make sure Windows isn't locked to an external monitor's OSD. If it is, use the physical monitor buttons. This gets you into the right place quickly and avoids needless steps. Now fine-tune how Windows controls brightness. Open Display Adapter Properties and update your graphics driver through Device Manager to restore software control if sliders are missing. Enable adaptive brightness under Power Options if your device supports it, and adjust HDR settings if applicable. HDR can change perceived brightness dramatically. For external monitors, use the Monitor OSD or the Intel/AMD/NVIDIA control panel to finish by calibrating your display. Run Windows color calibration and save a custom power plan with preferred brightness for battery and plugged-in modes. Install utilities like Lux or PowerToys for scheduled or more granular adjustments. Create a desktop shortcut to the display settings for quick access. If the brightness slider is missing or changes, don't apply, reinstall, or roll back display drivers. Verify the monitor's edit and cable, and try a different port. That single troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.